Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Claude AI for math problems. In this quick walkthrough, you'll learn how to open a new chat in Claude and enter a sample math prompt so the AI can begin helping you. This is a simple process, and it's a useful way to get support with solving equations, checking your work, or understanding how to approach a problem step by step. To begin, go to the Claude new chat page. Opening a fresh chat is helpful because it gives you a clean space to type your question without any previous conversation affecting the response. Once the page loads, you should see the chat interface where you can enter your message. Take a moment to make sure you're in the message box before typing. This is where you'll ask Claude your math question. If you're using Claude for learning, it can help to be clear and specific in the way you write your prompt. For example, instead of entering only a short expression, you may get a more useful answer if you include a little context, such as what you want solved or explained. Clear prompts often lead to clearer answers. Next, enter a sample prompt about your math problem and press enter to send it. You can type a question such as asking Claude to solve an equation, explain a formula, or walk through the solution to a word problem. If your goal is to understand the process, it's often helpful to ask for a step-by-step explanation in plain language. That can make the response easier to follow, especially for more complex topics. After you send the prompt, Claude will generate a response in the chat. At that point, you can read through the explanation carefully and compare it with your own work if you already attempted the problem. If something is unclear, you can continue the conversation by asking for a simpler explanation or requesting that a specific step be broken down further. Keeping your follow-up questions focused will usually give you the best results. One important tip is to use Claude as a learning assistant rather than just copying answers. Reading the explanation closely can help you understand the method behind the solution, which is especially useful if you're studying for homework, quizzes, or exams. That's all it takes to get started. Open a new Claude chat, type in your math problem, and send it off to receive help. With a clear prompt and a little follow-up, Claude can be a practical tool for working through math problems more confidently.